Do you want to know how to close all apps at once on your iPhone? In this video, I will show you the fastest way to close all of your apps in just a few simple steps. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how to take control of what's running in the background, and make sure that nothing is slowing down your iPhone. To get started, simply swipe up from the bottom, and now you will be able to see all of the applications that you have opened before. So the most common way of closing an app is by swiping it up with your finger. But if you want to quickly close all the apps, you can use 3 fingers instead of 1 to swipe up apps. So, by doing it this way, you can close 3 apps from your iPhone's background at the same time. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.